Alright, we're on our way to go eat some Banh Xeo. But I don't think I could. It's like nighttime outside, so I don't think the video will come out too clear, but yeah, I'll film at the restaurant. We got to the place. We went to the other spot, but it was too crowded, so decided to come here. Nice spot. We're sitting outside. Ordered some Banh Xeo. Yeah, I totally forgot to film. The Banh Xeo. I finished like half of it already. Very good. I really like this mango. But yeah, I ruined the wrap. I gotta eat it piece by piece. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, it's tasty. Crispy, a lot of meat in there. Yeah, it tastes great with the mango. It breaks up the oil.
It makes it taste fresh.
Yeah.
It's crispy too.
Oh. Huh?
No, it's okay. I'll just use this.
Okay. I'm a double wrap it. That's yours too. Pretty crispy, baby. That's the crispy part.
Huh? Yeah, I just get this.
Yeah. Last wrap. I double wrapped it. Kind of hard to bite through the skin. And that was a good meal. Finished it. Got some passion fruit juice. Yeah, the worker here told us we shouldn't order 2 of those because it would be too much. I am full. Not stuffed, but full for sure. But it was good. Having a little stroll after dinner.
What are these?
Scallops, right?
Oh, good. But they're so small when you eat them.
I think these are scallops. These are bigger ones. We got the small one, that's why. They had a bigger one too. They had a choice for the bigger ones too.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, are you okay? Oh, this is our... This is where we stay, right? Yeah. You wanna keep walking? Yeah. Pretty much.
Oh, that one won't walk away, yeah.
Yeah, we'll go away. Ate that for breakfast tomorrow. I'll wake up at 11. and go eat.
Okay, I'll wake up early.
And
Forever to change.
alright.
Massage. Also massage in Japanese.
I like all the Vietnamese food, or the name is just like very literal. Like, oh yeah, bread with meat or something, you know what I mean?
What do you mean?
All the food names are like literal. Banh mi means bread. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then if you say banh mi thit nung, that's bread with pork chop. You know what I mean? They just spell it out for you. It's not like an extra name, you know?
Oh, yeah. Banh mi means bread.
Yeah, banh mi means bread. Yeah.
Banh mi.
Like very literal. Like all the names are. Oh, that's the thing you wanted, right? Cha or whatever. Cha.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
you gotta
where
get
could
that
we get
too.
that banh mi with the custard thing?
I don't know where that is. To order it. Or you want to check out the market? Okay. Check out the market. Banh mi custard. Oh, jackfruit. Oh, you found it? You found it.
I found
Get it.
I didn't have to order from the house.
You could just eat it like that? You don't have to cook it?
Nem chua.
Yeah. Pick it up. Nice. Oh, they got chorizo.
Oh wow.
Nice. Yeah, pick it up.
I was looking for this.
There's stuffed croissant. Croissant.
What's that? I found it.
There's drinks. Yeah, they got all the instant pho. Nice. They got a bunch of Korean stuff down there. Man, Vietnam is turning into like little Korea or something. Bunch of Korean businesses and stuff. Man, I feel like even some of the imported stuff is not expensive. Yeah, look at this. This thing is $2. It's cheaper here. What the hell? In Korea, that's like $5 or something.
Why?
Huh?
Really?
Yeah.
Why is it cheaper here?
I don't know why it's cheaper. I think they make it here too. Yeah.
Okay. Cheaper.
Man. Yeah, look at these. It's less than $1. These are less than $1. Well, I guess in Japan it's less than $1, right?
It's cheap too.
Yeah.
In the Philippines. We sell coffee.
Huh?
We sell coffee. Is that that?
Dude, check out all these flavored. I just noticed it. You got a nori seaweed. What's this? Oh, Brazil barbecue pork rib. Yeah, there was like a. Oh yeah, look, there's a prawn one. Dude, there's a pho flavor Lay's. Look at this. That's so cool. I might get this thing. I'm not really hungry, but yeah, there's a tenderloin, Texas tenderloin steak. Wow. Never seen all these. The Zurian baby. Huh?
It's like a street food.
Yeah.